This is how I do a clean girl makeup look using the DCYPHER Custom Foundation and Custom Concealer to get my skin from this to this. Here's a little before shot of my skin. First off, I use the DCYPHER Custom Foundation to give me that perfect base for the clean girl look. The formula is super lightweight and breathable. The key to the clean girl look is to make sure your skin looks hydrated and dewy, which this foundation can definitely achieve, as it's formulated with glycerin for hydration. I'm also using the DCYPHER brushes to blend the foundation into the skin, and look how well it matches my skin tone. Literally the perfect match every time. DCYPHER uses AI technology to create your unique foundation and concealer recipe. The custom foundation matches my skin tone absolutely perfectly and blends into the skin like butter. This foundation also allows you to pick your preferred finish and preferred coverage. Look how flawless my base is looking. I'm now going to go in with the custom concealer just to give my under eyes a bit more coverage. The concealer uses the same AI-powered technology to create your perfect shade as the custom foundation. The formula is super lightweight and creamy for super comfortable wear, and it's also infused with skin-loving ingredients such as hyaluronic acid and glycerin, which all work well together to keep the skin looking super hydrated. Again, I'm using the DCYPHER concealer brush to blend this all in. Look at this stunning finish that I'm left with. Now all I need to do to finish this look is add some bronzer to my face, again using the DCYPHER brushes. I'm also adding a pop of colour by adding some blush. I'm adding some brow gel to give myself some fluffy eyebrows, and then some mascara. For the clean girl makeup look, I want to keep my skin looking really nice and hydrated and dewy, but I will be adding some powder to my T-zone and my under eye area. Finally, going to finish the look off with some lip oil and some highlighter. I'm left with a beautiful base and my skin looks super hydrated and dewy, which is the perfect way to achieve the clean girl makeup look. And that's how I use the DCYPHER Custom Foundation and Custom Concealer to create my clean girl makeup look.